Back to next peeps. On today's video, I want to show you guys how business owners send up to 1,000,000 emails daily. Okay, so this particular company is called Apollo, and you can send up to 1,000,000 emails daily. Okay, and it's absolutely free. We're going to be doing this free on my account, and I'll show you guys how to send emails. The good thing about this particular Apollo is powered by AI, so you can write your emails through AI. I can send multiple emails at once, okay, even when you don't have emails. Okay, so this particular video is for educational purpose, so I'll be right here showing you guys guideline how to send emails campaigns as a business owner. So let's dive in and get started. Okay, so if you're struggling to reach more campaigns through email, this particular video I will show you how to send your business email to broad audience, okay, using Apollo step by step on this particular video, like I already told you. Okay, so the first thing to do here is to create an account, and I already have an account, so I'll just easily log in through my Gmail account. Okay, so I'll just log in through my Gmail account. Okay, so one thing I love about this particular Apollo is you can use AI to write your emails, okay, and you can reach broad emails and send multiple emails. Once you can send over 1,000,000 emails right here. Okay, so now this is how it works. So guys, once you're done creating an account, you're going to be having your dashboard right here. Okay, this is your dashboard, how it looks. So don't be confused. Like I told you guys, I'll be taking you from the beginning to the ending on how to send these particular emails. Okay, so you might be confused right here because it's your first time, but what you're going to do is to just click on people. Okay, right here, you're going to click on people. So I'm going to be doing some quick filtering here to show you guys how to get the best people for your business. Okay, so right here you can choose if the email you're sending is going to go to verified clients. Okay, whether it's going to go to verified clients or just unverified clients. Okay, verified clients, you're going to be having some short emails. Okay, but if you select unverified clients, you're going to be having a lot of emails to send. Okay, so like I told you guys that this particular video is for educational purpose, and if you're sending email, you make sure that it is coming from your business email. Okay, so now you can see these are the emails that are coming from unverified emails. Okay, so if you select for verified email, you're going to be having some few emails right here. Okay, so now once you're done doing that, you can scroll down. Okay, so here you're going to be choosing what type of titles or personalities that are going to be seeing your emails. Okay, if it's students, teachers, engineers, professionals, and professors, consultants, and the rest. Okay, so here you can choose to remove more or to add more. Okay, so here you're going to be choosing what type of companies are you going to be sending the emails. Is there an ICT companies or domain registration companies or rest? Okay, so if you're done with this, you're going to be choosing your location. If you want to send your location, your emails to your own location or to outside your own country. Okay, so these are the things you're going to be filtering right here. Okay, so once you're doing that, you're going to be having list of the emails right here. Okay, so how do you send email? Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to send unlimited emails to these emails we just filtered. Okay, so the good thing about Apollo is once you register, you're going to be having emails automatically on your account. Okay, so no need of going to find where to get emails of the people who matches your business. Okay, though this particular company already have those emails. Okay, so let me show you guys how to send those emails. So let me show you with one example, and I'm going to be showing you through one of these companies right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to select any. You can actually select all to send, but due to this particular video, I'm going to be sending to one particular person. Okay, so how to do that is to click select. You can select all, which is over 8 million email right here. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, so once you're done selecting, you're going to click this email logo right here, email icon. Okay, so once you click on that email, so guys, it's going to take you to a page like this. Okay, so this particular page, you're going to be typing your email right here. Okay, you can allow AI to write the email for you, or you can write the email yourself. That's why I told you that this particular Apollo is one of the best email marketing software right now. Okay, so now you can see the email that AI wrote for you, or you can actually write yours right here. Okay, so if you want to use the AI own, you can just copy and paste on your computer where you're meant to type and edit. Okay, but if you want to write yours, you can easily write yours right here. Okay, so this particular place is where you put your email subject. Okay, you can get your email subject by writing or by allowing AI to generate the email subject. Okay, so now the good thing is you can still set a template to use, like as you can see right here. I have a template to use, and that template you can still add more templates. Okay, you can add more templates so that you can easily select your template and send email to your to people which you want to send the email to. And the good thing is this guys delivers the email fast. Okay, and if the email fails, it will return back the reason why the email fails, so that you can be able to resend. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, and have a good day.